let's make some bacon. It is pretty simple. Just place some parchment paper right on your cookie sheet, put the bacon down, and let's get it going. Next, let's dial in your flame. Nice blue with a little bit of yellow. After 20 minutes, your oven should be about 450 degrees. Check it, and it's time to rotate. Yes, the front should go to the back, so the bacon can cook evenly. As you have noticed, there is a couple logs that we're setting the tray right on top. That's so we can have a little convection to cook the bacon from the bottom and from the top. Don't forget to check the bacon. In another 20 minutes, it should be ready to go. Crispy, delicious, and the best of all, no mess in the kitchen.